Okay, so this one should be very straightforward for you to do. This is just testing data. As you know, this can come up in your, I don't know if it did, but this can come up in your practical exam. So what you've got to do is you've actually got to test the formula to see if it actually works. So now there's, you know the rules: normal, extreme, and abnormal. Okay, but this is a bit unusual because they want you to test data making progress. Well, it's not unusual really. Testing normal data. So all you got to do is look up here. So for making progress, if the mark is 75 or more. Okay, so basically making progress is any mark above 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. Then satisfactory, that you're testing normal data. So that's any number, okay, within 50 to 74. It's 51, 52, 53, and so on. But not 50, not 74, because they're going to be the extreme data. Okay, so it needs improvement. You want the extreme data. That's got to be 0 or 49. And then testing using extreme data for satisfactory is again the data that's on the boundaries. So it's 50 or 74. Okay, so we should know that. Why is testing data important? Well, for a start, you've built a model for somebody. You've got to prove that it works. You've got to see if there's any errors. You may have looked at my nested if and spotted an error. Okay, quite possibly. I'm not perfect. Okay, especially when it comes to numbers. So what I would do is, if I was doing that actually in a spreadsheet, I would test that it works first by saying, right, okay, I don't know unless this works unless I actually put in the number 74 because it's on the boundary. Okay, so we actually test data to track any errors and fix them. We then test it to make sure that it's actually working for the purpose that it was given to us. So that's why we test.